As we know, CHO cells are incredibly important in biotechnology, especially for expressing recombinant proteins like antibodies, recombinant protein drugs, and vaccines. Their capacity to grow to high cell densities in serum-free suspension culture, coupled with their ability to express and secrete proteins with appropriate post-translational modifications, makes CHO cells the preferred choice for producing many therapeutic antibodies and proteins. With nearly 40 years of expertise in cell culture medium development, BioEngine has launched a comprehensive and professional CHO cell culture solution. This includes the RapidTrans CHO Kit for CHO cell transfection, the CD medium designed for CHO cell development, the EasZN and EasZN Series products that meet the demands of large-scale protein production. The Tuner Series products regulate the glycosylation of protein products, as well as customized culture medium services to address specific needs. These solutions are designed to support your needs at every stage, from drug development to commercial production. BioEngine's comprehensive CHO cell culture solution helps you shorten the cell culture time, increase protein yield, regulate glycoforms, and drive success in your projects.